This video I'm going to share with you that the stay experience at the Vinpearl 81 is this autograph hotel. It is the tallest building in Vietnam, 81 floor. So I'm going to show you the stay experience, about the facility, the titanium benefits, the room, the breakfast, the club lounge and everything. So now we have to go to check in at the club lounge at level 71. So let's go this way. It's okay, I can help myself. It's okay, I can help myself, thank you. So this is the entrance of the hotel. I can see that it's quite grand. I have no expect about this because I never think that I will stay in this hotel because it's quite far away from town. But it's a lovely thing that there's a shopping mall underneath the hotel. It's okay, I can help myself. Thank you. So now this is a lobby that you can see that you have to go to the check-in floor. But I will check in at the club lounge at 71. This gentleman is the one. Oh wow, we are really high floor. So the lobby is actually at 48th floor. So you have to come to 48th floor, tell the staff that you are going to the lounge for check-in. It's very impressive. Really never expect to come in the high floor like this. It is very cool to come to check in at the club lounge at level 71. But very sad that the weather it's not as ideal because it's very foggy right over here, but I still can see that we are in a really high floor over here. Very impressive that you almost see everything. I think I'm going to do a quick tour of the lounge first. So I think this is an all-day refreshment right over here. You can get will be like, oh wow, beautiful pastry, cut fruits. I love this. Oh my god, this is my favorite. It's very beautiful mangoes and passion fruits. Yeah, and then like the cafe over here. Oh, let's take a quick view of this side of the view. Wow. It's very sad that the weather is still not that ideal. Okay, let's go continue to check in to get my room cut. And then I'll show you the room. As a titanium guest, this is some I think that you can choose. The welcome gift is either the Vietnamese coffee or signature cold brew in a bottle, and then the coffee blossom honey jar. Oh, the coffee honey. Or you can go for the breakfast or 1,000 points. And also that this is a welcome drinks. Oh, yeah, then the okay. So Tian is the one to show me. Going to show you that this is a welcome gift. You can get the coffee, and then the cold brew is 2 bottles.
Yes.
Okay, 2 bottles like this, or the coffee honey like this. But for me, I'm going to get the 1,000 point. So it's just stick like this because I can have a breakfast in the club lounge. So this video, I'm not going to show you how the regular breakfast looks like. And yeah, just show you the breakfast in the club lounge. Tian is the one to do the check-in for me. I'm too early, so the room is not ready yet. But here is a list to share with you that the Titanium Elite member benefits. You can get the breakfast 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. And then the complimentary all-day refreshment that I showed you earlier. Then evening cocktail is 3 hours, 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Lovely thing that no kids are allowed. So no kids will be making noise. Then you can use the wireless for free, and then 2 hours of the complimentary meeting room. So we can just right near to the entrance of the club lounge. Then light pressing of 3 sets per day. That is very cool. Complimentary shoe shine, printing black and white document up to 10 pieces, which is quite cool. And then complimentary local call and international calls are excluded. So it's not too bad. Yeah. So I will go to shopping because at the shopping mall downstairs, the staff will like drop me a message on the app, and I will come back to show you the room and the fitness center, the swimming pool, and the happy hour in a bit. After a long wait, my room is ready before 3 p.m. I got downgraded as a titanium guest, so they don't upgrade me. They were saying that they upgraded me to a club room at the level 62, but if I need to change to a king side bed, they have to downgrade me. So once you come inside here, this is the wardrobe, the safe. Oh, the bedroom slipper is black color. Allow me to turn on the light to show you. This is a bedroom slipper. The safe is quite huge. Then shoe means, shoe horn, steam iron, and then the bathrobe is right over here, and the ironing board is right over here. Then that is where you can place your luggage. And it's very funny thing that the staff insists to escort me to the room. They say that they're going to show me how to use the room. I was like, huh, how? So when he was outside the room, he said that will be the tablet for you to control everything. Okay, I'm going to show you the view first. Ooh, I see the 2 coconut as a welcome drink. The view, the weather is really bad. The air is really horrible today, so quite sad. But the staff told me it'll be better later. Over here I can see cookie, macaron, and some traditional thing. It's very cute to have this coconut like this. You can just pull out and drink. But I hope that it's safe to drink though. It's like they've been placed on the room temperature for a while, I guess. And here is the bedroom. Nothing special to me. Okay, at the bedside there's a 2 USB port and 1 universal power plug. The telephone is here. Empty drawer, a black color pencil. Then oh wow, it's smooth, nice. Then the working table. Oh, I guess this is wow, it's so cool. It's a speaker as well, USB charger at the back, Bluetooth, alarm clock, and the clock. I hope it won't be too shiny. Okay, you can dim down. Very good. Then a USB port and a universal power plug here. It's a non-smoking hotel. Envelope, A4 paper, empty drawer. I think this is not a bad thing. Like you can enjoy the view like that. And a huge lamp on the table. TV, let me see. Oh yeah, you can watch a YouTube, Netflix, and over here. So this is the control. Okay. USB port here for pillows, a table here, coffee and tea. So this tea packaging is quite cool. It's a paper packaging. Then the coffee is instant coffee, decaf and regular coffee. No. Oh, okay. Empty. So they don't give you the beer opener or wine opener here. Oh, it's fully stocked mini bar, and the prices are right over here. It's still a reasonable price to me. So let's go to the washroom. Bathtub like this with the bath salt, loofah, 2 bottles of drinking water, body lotion, hand wash. Oh, very good bidet. Very big bidet. And then standing shower, handheld shower, rain shower. Okay. I think it's quite basic though. I have a high expectation like it will be a very beautiful room. But now it's just very basic to me. My bad. Forgot to show you 2 things. Right over here, these are the amenity, that comb, dental kit, sewing kit, sanitary bag, shower cap, vanity kit, and shaving kit. And saying that if you like to purchase the amenity, you can purchase right from the front decks. And another thing very important is the hair dryer. It's a very powerful hair dryer. Approved with a hair dryer. Here's a swimming pool. That's it. It's a very, very small pool. Nothing much interesting. Now I'm here for the happy hour. Let's see what do they offer. They have this cold cut, cheese of this ham, crackle, dessert, brownie. Desserts are good. And then the what they call passion fruit is very nice. I like the passion fruit very much. And also a light station, seafood tom yum noodle. And then these are the hot. Oh wow! They have the string for happy hour. That's very impressive. Then these are the food as well. This one looks good. And the tteokbokki, the Korean dish. And then the fried rice. The weather, the air quality is better now. And this is the cold dishes and salad. Here is a bar. They have the sorted coffee for this month. It's very interesting. These are the all-day refreshment that you can order: soft drink, coffee, tea, fresh juice, and then the evening cocktail hour. You get the beer, mocktail, cocktail, spirits, wine, and a classic long drink and sparkling wine, which is a prosecco. I will try as much as I can. This is the gym. The gym is 24 hours. There's detox drinks, water cooler, hot water, and there are machines that I like, chairs, and there's a multiple thing. I used to love this one, the chess machine, but recently I'm in love with pull-up. So there are small little app machines, I mean the roller, and also some cardio machines. If you come on the daytime, you can have a very good view, but it's burning hot. So I would strongly recommend you to come at the evening. And of course, you can see the swimming pool is just right beside the gym. Okay, let me enjoy my workout. This is the changing room. Here is a locker with a number pin. And they do have steam room and sauna and a jacuzzi. I'm coming here to soak later. And let's take a look with the sauna. Okay, no one is inside. Lovely. And the steam room is right there. Let's see. Oh, it's very nice steam room with lemongrass and some lime. Here is a swimming pool at night. Very small pool. So it's just right beside the gym, same floor with the spa, and there's a poolside bar as well with a toilet over there. Just came back from the happy hour and went to the gym for the workout, and they do have turn down service. They will give you this cow look. I think I pronounced it correct. It's a rice pop candy with real red rice from Vietnam. So I'm not going to try the buffalo, but I like how they make the buffalo like this. Let me show you the small little details. This is the first time I see a housekeeping tie out a buffalo like beautifully like this. It's quite nice. It's just like a regular buffalo material, so I'm not going to wear that. It's very hot. So now I'm going to tell you about the shower thing first. The water pressure is super low. It's annoying to shower. The shampoo is not bad. I'm going to do the bed test now. It's a hard bed. There are lots of the white thing floating around now after I jump. Who got you? Oh, you see that the pillow is not really moving when I bounce. Okay. The material, the tread count is the same. Very high tread count. Oh, this is a pillow that I like. So both of the pillow are about the same. I think it have a good support, but it might have what they call hit up the head. But there is a pillow menu. I'm going to check out the pillow menu in a bit. Here is a QR code. You may scan and find out what you like or not, but let me scan and see what they offer. So there is a spa menu. Chinese man is a language now, according for what I see. So I'm going for the English first. Okay, so you basically got everything right over here. Pillow menu. Latex pillow, foam pillow, buckwheat pillow is the one that I like. It will reduce the heat and a nano silver pillow. Oh, help plain circulation. Sounds good. I'm going to try the buckwheat pillow and the nano silver pillow. I just woke up, had a good sleep. The bed is good, air conditioning is good, no noise at all. Maybe it's a high floor, like can't hear anything. Room is not that dry. Maybe I have my humidifier. So let's go to have breakfast. This is what you can get for the breakfast. The pastry looks good, and smoked salmon, date, cheese, ham, yum yum. The fruit beautifully displayed. Let's see. Oh, this is a pho. Hey, morning. Can I have the beef pho?
Yes.
Thank you. And here is also the japchae. Hi, good morning. The hash brown, crispy bacon, snail sausage. Oh, they have a honeycomb. Breakfast here is quite simple. Oh, this salad looks good to me, and some bread and toast. I am going to get a better seat. Oh, I love honeycomb. They should give a knife, so I don't think you can hook up the what they call the honey. And 3 different juices. I'll go back to my favorite seat right at this corner. I'm going to check out now. So far the stay is just very average. I was waited for my lunch for a while. They were busy making a video and photo shoot. They completely forgotten my lunch, so I have to have my lunch right over here. Overall, I think this hotel, they are quite far away from a lot of places. There's a very small shopping mall downstairs, but I quite like the lounge. The evening happy hour is like very impressive with the big prawns. Breakfast in the lounge I think is very average. Facility wise, it is a very big hotel with a very limited equipment. I would say the gym is very small, but it's 24 hours. It's good for a good workout. Swimming pool is very tiny for such a beautiful building hotel. Staff are very nice. They are very attentive. Like the staff in the lounge, the staff in the lobby, they are quite helpful. It's a little bit inconvenient for check-in and check-out or to leave the hotel. You have to go to level 48. Then you change to another lift at the main lobby, then go to downstairs. The shopping mall is really small. It's like nothing worth to visit the mall, unless you need a supermarket. There's a supermarket downstairs to buy beer or some little souvenir. It's quite sad that my visit, the weather is quite bad, so the air is really bad. I can't really enjoy the beautiful view. But maybe if you come in any other like season, it could be a better experience to stay. From the picture it looks amazing, like the hotel is above the cloud, all this thing. So yeah, with that, I hope you like this video. I hope that this video is helpful for you to stay in this tallest building in Vietnam. Bye bye.